our renowned Kashmiri singer Ajaz Ra at the British Kashmiri Medical Association social event, and it was absolutely amazing. He brought the feeling of home and Kashmir to us all here, and we had a fantastic night. We really want to thank him from the bottom of our heart for traveling all the way and making a memorable night for us all. Thank you.
MashaAllah, az was very asıl weekend value program kurmut. It was a very good bus Scotland put here with my family. So it was so nice. My boss which is Kashmir mazaz, my family maz, just was one family. I'm highly thankful to you all the people who organize these things. Thank you very much.
MashaAllah, bad asal program was Ejaz Saban. Ejaz was from my medical school days, and it was so nice to see him live. I think what's best is how he engaged with the audience. They, in such a nice, compassionate, non-arrogant fashion. It's very good. Actually, Baki Mosika, sometimes you find there are egos involved and all that, but how he relates to the audience and how he works with the audience was really good. So it should, but a sign of fakhr that a fellow Kashmiri is able to perform to such level. Jazakallah.
Okay, Ejaz bhai, thank you for having us. आपके साथ इतना मज़ा आया. We thoroughly enjoyed पूरा program और आवाज़ भी क्या बहुत ही अच्छी आवाज़ है. And we are looking forward कि हमें next time कभी ऐसा ही program करें.
एजाज भाई का क्या कहना भाई, इतना एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक. जो भी इन्होंने जो भी गाया गाना माशाल्लाह कमाल कर दिया. हमने गिटार बजाया उनके साथ तो बड़ा ही मज़ा आया हमें भी. तो इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर में हमें अगर हमारी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी हम हमेशा उनके लिए उसी वक्त हाजिर हो जाएंगे.
Oh,